Title: Lessons from the Perfection of Ablution, a Hadith Reflection. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear viewers. Today we are beginning with a beautiful new hadith, which gives us important insights into the completion or perfection of ablution. This hadith serves as a reminder of the mindfulness and care required in worship. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Chapter 6. The completion or perfection of ablution. One should wash all the parts perfectly. The hadith, narrated Usama bin Zayd, Allah's messenger peace be upon him, proceeded from Arafat till when he reached the mountain pass. He dismounted, urinated, and then performed ablution, but not a perfect one. I said to him, is it the time for the prayer? O Allah's messenger peace be upon him, he said, the place of prayer is ahead of you. He rode till when he reached Al-Muzdalifah. He dismounted and performed ablution, and a perfect one. The call for Iqama was pronounced and he led the Maghrib prayer. Then everybody made his camel kneel down at its place. Then the Iqama was pronounced for the Isha prayer, which the Prophet peace be upon him led, and no prayer was offered in between the two prayers, Isha and Maghrib. Lesson learned from the hadith. This hadith teaches us the importance of performing acts of worship with attention to their completeness. Although the Prophet peace be upon him initially performed a brief ablution, he later performed a perfect one before prayer, emphasizing that every act of worship should be done with full sincerity and care. It reminds us that, especially in moments of worship, we should strive to be mindful and thorough in fulfilling our duties. Conclusion: may this hadith inspire us to approach our acts of worship with mindfulness and dedication, fulfilling each step with sincerity and a heart devoted to Allah. May Allah grant us the ability to learn from the wisdom of the Prophet peace be upon him and apply these lessons in our daily lives. Ameen. Until the next video. Wa alaikum assalam.